Alright guys, let's talk about Finexa's UV products. It was sent to me a few weeks back. You would have seen I had it. It comes in an aerosol can. I would prefer it to be able to come in a 1 litre can so we can put it through the gun than an aerosol can. I have asked them about that. I'm waiting to hear back if it's something that they'll do. Just waiting really. So Finixa, if you're watching this, please can I have an answer on that? I've had a couple of people ask me about that as well and make that point that they'd prefer to put it through a gun than an aerosol can. Right, how to use this product. There's going to be a video shortly that will show you it being used on various different jobs. But this is what I found out. So you get, if you're working on plastics, you can get an adhesion promoter on that. You need to put that down before you use the primer. If you're going straight to metal, you can use the primer. You also have, they supply a cleaner for the primer. So that's to use after you've cured this because it can have a tacky finish on it if you don't do what I'm about to show you. So I've now figured out how to eliminate that tacky bit. Finixa, I'm sorry, I know you want to sell these, but this means it makes it obsolete. It's a really simple trick. Put your product on. You put 1 to 2 coats of this. Don't put more than that. You don't need it, it has a high build. All right, if you're gonna put another one on, make sure you flash it off before you put your third one on properly. But I flash off anyway. So I'm flashing her off using a simple hairdryer. Now why am I using a hairdryer over a hot air gun? Because the hairdryer is going to give you a much more even heat and not a really high heat. So, you know, you've got more control over this. Simply, all you do, like I said, put 1 or 2 coats on this, spray a coat, spray another coat, go with the hot air gun, less than a minute, you'll see the primer actually turning matte. When it's gone matte, do not, whatever you do not touch it. Your brain is automatically, and I've done it, it's just pulling you to go and touch it to check if it's dry. It won't be dry, it's not cured. All you've done is you've just helped by putting that heat and flashing it off, release the solvents on there, which create the tackiness afterwards. So, like I said, do not touch it. And you'll see in the video, there's a small example. I've just touched a little corner just to show you. Cure it off. I'm using the Hedson 395. I've also tested it with the 365, so 2 different wavelengths. Most of you will have the 395 out there. And it cures beautifully. Depending on the size of the job, it'll cure from sort of 10, 15 seconds up to a minute. They're saying 2 to 3 minutes, but that all just depends on how far away your lamp is from the primer, the panel, and the power of your lamp as well. Now, the beauty of this using the hot air gun, the hairdryer with your primer is you no longer then have a tacky finish towards the end afterwards. So you don't need this product, you don't need a solvent degreaser or anything like that to wipe it down. It is as dry as a bone. So that means it just sands beautifully. You're not going to get any clogging. You're not going to need to buy an additional product, really. What do I think about it? I'm just trying to pick up the can now. Oh, just dropped the can. So, what do I think about it? Yeah, I probably should stop throwing it around. It's a brilliant product. It works well. I'm really pleased with it. And I definitely use it in my repairs. So I think the little trick helps, but it's up to you guys how you want to work. But so yeah, I'd definitely recommend it. Just quickly before I go and let you watch the other videos, I have got from Finixa their UV putty, which is applied through a caulking gun, dispensed through a caulking gun. I'm still testing this, just need to understand it, see its limitations, and then I can come back to you and talk to you about that. And putting it down. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much to Finixa for taking this chance and allowing me to do this review. Thank you guys for watching it, and if you have any questions, please don't feel shy to ask, because that's what we're there for. And if any of you are using any of these products and you want to contribute, please add them to the comments. It's always great. The more people that join in, the merrier. And enjoy the video, and thank you so much. All the best.